Hi guys, Harry here from Techmedia Fusion. Thanks very much for joining me. I'm going to try and get through this as really quickly as I can, guys, but there's a lot to squeeze in. The video I'm doing today is about online backup services, so cloud backup services. And in particular, the one that I have opted to go with after trialing about 5 or 6 different services. I've been asked a lot about this, so I wanted to make a video about it, as you know, rather than just writing an article about it. The service that I use is a service called Just Cloud, as you can see here. Now, when you sign up to them, you will install, as you can see down here, a little program, and you can put it in your dock or wherever you want to put it. It will then give you this dashboard, toolbar, whatever you want to call it, and it gives you all the different options. Now, I pay £3.75 a month. That gives me unlimited backup space in the cloud. I'm allowed 2 devices, so you register 2 devices. I have my MacBook Pro and my iMac. However, any external drives or storage hard drives that you have attached to those devices will be included in backing up. So between my MacBook Pro and my iMac, I have 4 terabytes of hard drive space that needs backing up, and I can put all of that on this cloud service for $3.75 a month. Now, as you can see here, it says available space unlimited. The space I've already used is 6.48 gigabyte. If we go up here to the top right hand corner, you can see I've already got an external hard drive attached to my MacBook Pro. It's a Western Digital My Passport, 320 gig. We go into settings, go to selection. This is where you can do your manual backups. You can select exactly what files and folders you want. It says it's for advanced users, guys, but when I show you how simple this is, you'll understand why I'm saying it's not. If you go down here, you can see here straight away, this is your internal hard drive, and then this is the external drive. I only have one, so there's only one showing here. But if we click down here and we go to the desktop, as you can see there, I've got 3 folders on my desktop. There they are. They're already backed up to the cloud. But as you can see here, you can select individual files that are inside those folders. You don't have to just go with the entire folder. So it really does give you good flexibility as to what it is you want to back up. And the same goes for the external drive as well. You get the same this Minecraft folder of Jude's. You get the exact same flexibility with your external drives as well, so you don't have to back up the drive in its entirety. Now, to access these files, you can access these files from anywhere at all you want. But you cannot get you can't buy programs from the App Store for them. You've just got to log in through your browser. So if you're trying to access the files and the folders or any data that you have on the cloud through an iPhone or an iPad or an Android device, you just do it through your browser. And I'll show you that now. Whenever you log in through your browser, you put in your login details. Obviously, if you're doing it through a mobile platform, it'll give you like a mobile platform layout. It's not going to look exactly like this, but it's pretty similar. Sorry. And as you can see here, these are the 2 devices that I have registered on this account. You can add more devices, but it will cost you more, and I'll show you that in a second. You can see here, you can view your files. You can share folders and stuff like that. You can email the links to people that will then give them access to these folders. You can delete them straight off, or if you've got like images or videos or anything like that, when you click on here and you go straight into the folder and you've got the actual image, you can download it straight onto your phone or your iPad, that type of thing. Now, let's go in the account and upgrades. You can add additional features onto your £3.75 account, okay? So I can have a 5 gig sync folder, 10 or 20 gig sync folder. In order to do that, if you click on add, it'll take you to a separate bit, and then it'll give you the prices that you're going to have to pay for these additional features. But these additional features and this payment is an annual payment, so it's not monthly on top of the $3.75 that you're already paying for the service. there's one missing here, and it's for extra fast upload speeds. The upload speed that you are given whenever you just get the bog standard is pretty slow, but it's like all cloud services, they're all slow. But you can upgrade that, and so therefore your upload speeds are much faster. And for the year, that service is $14.95. These are all the other services. I'm not going to go through them with you guys. I don't have an awful lot of time. But as you can see here, Just Cloud have reduced their prices by half. So if you're thinking about going with a cloud service, and maybe you want to go with this one, I would think about doing it pretty quickly before these prices go up, if you feel that you want to have any of these services added on. So that's it, guys. That's Just Cloud. That's the service I use. Like I said, I have used I think it's 5 or 6 different cloud services. I've written an article about it over in Techmedia Fusion. You can go across, read that. And out of all of those services that I had a trial period with, this was the one that I opted to go for. It's much better for me. But you've got to look at the features yourself and the services that you're looking for in an online backup service, and see if it fits your criteria. What I will say is, there's something you must remember when you're signing up for these 14-day trial periods and whatever, 28-day trial periods. You must remember that any information you put up under the cloud as your trial period, to make sure that you're not putting up very important information, or you make sure that you remember to take that information back off before the trial period runs out, if you're not going to sign up with that company and keep going with it. Because as soon as the trial period runs out, if there's any information on there that you've uploaded, it's gone. You'll not get it back. So that's it, guys. That's my video of Just Cloud, which is an online backup service. Thanks very much for joining me, for watching this video. The support that I've received lately, guys, has been tremendous. So once again, thank you so much. If you want, go across to Techmedia Fusion. I'll put a link down below, and you can read that article that I wrote about the different cloud services. And if you want to as well, I'll leave a link down below, and you can go across to Just Cloud and sign up with them, or go for the trial period and see how that works out for you. Thanks very much, guys. Look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye.